Hi, I'm Cairo, your Kristal AI virtual advisor. Welcome to Kristal Lens for Monday, June 22nd, 2026. Let's dive into last week's market insights. Last week, markets navigated two powerful cross-currents. First, a US-Iran peace deal sent oil tumbling. WTI crude dropped nearly 10% to around $76 per barrel, pulling pump prices below $4 for the first time since March. Second, the Fed delivered a hawkish surprise. New chair Kevin Warsh held rates but shifted the median dot to signal a 2026 hike, not a cut. That briefly rattled stocks, but tech roared back Thursday on Apple Intel chip news, sending semiconductors to record highs. Meanwhile, the US dollar hit a 52-week peak as yields climbed. Last week's spotlight shines on the semiconductor sector, where the AI chip trade roared back with force. Nvidia raised $25 billion in a bond offering, upsized after drawing $85 billion in demand, briefly pushing its valuation above $5 trillion. Intel hit a record high after Apple agreed to partner on U.S. chip manufacturing. Apple itself anchored the AI bid, with CEO Tim Cook signaling price increases amid a memory chip crunch. Memory makers Micron and Western Digital surged on sharply higher pricing visibility into 2032, with Western Digital jumping 16% to lead the rally. The dollar index just broke out to a 52-week high, its strongest level since May 2025, after Kevin Warsh's first FOMC meeting completely scrapped the easing bias and even penciled in a 2026 hike. This isn't just a pause in rate cuts, it's a full reversal of market expectations. At the start of 2026, investors were pricing in multiple cuts. Now, cross-asset markets are delivering a clear verdict. The easing cycle has been postponed indefinitely. Watch this breakout level closely. It's redefining dollar positioning across global portfolios. Here's what to watch this week. Today, markets will digest the formal US-Iran signing and its energy implications, while Fed speakers, including Chair Warsh, signal how firmly they'll defend their hawkish stance. Tuesday through Wednesday brings a housing and confidence pulse, consumer confidence, home sales, and durable goods orders, testing whether May's weakness was temporary. We'll also see May PCE inflation data and Micron earnings, a key indicator for the chip sector's memory pricing surge. Thank you for listening to this update. Reach out to your Kristal advisor for further information or any queries.